Hello students. Today the class about Foundation English second lesson The Wicked Prince written by Hans Christian Andersen. He was very famous playwright, storyteller and fairy tale writer also. He was born in 1805 and died in 1875. He was a famous Danish author. His fairy tales has been translated more than 125 languages. His stories have inspired plays, ballads, and both live action and animated films. His famous works are The Little Mermaid, The Ugly Duckling, and The Nightingale, etc. This is about H.C. Andersen. And let move on to the story. The Wicked Prince. The wicked means mischievous. The prince who mischievous, who wanted to conquer all countries in the world because he was more mighty and greater than all. So he thinks himself as a greater than all. So he wanted to conquer all the countries in the world. He defeated all his neighbor countries. Finally, he ordered to erect his statue on public places and in churches. This makes an angry to priest. Priests were against it because God is only one thing who was greater in this world. But here, the wicked prince, he himself thought that he is more mighty and greater. So finally, Prince decided to conquer God. At that time, the priests were said Prince was mighty indeed, but God's power was much greater than his because God is more power. Finally, the wicked prince construct a magnificent ship. Magnificent means a large, mega size ship to sail through the air to conquer God. He made thousands of bullets fly out in all directions and fly in the air. At that time, hundreds of eagles were attached and attacked him. The ship was broken. All his attempts were failed. Finally, God sent an gnat. Gnat is one kind of mosquito fly. It was defeated and imprisoned in his armor. Now, the story ends with the power, nothing but God is greater than all. Even an single mosquito defeat the wicked prince. His mischievous all are gone out in the world. Here, some of the important glossaries in this lesson. First one, wicked. Wicked mean mischievous. Conquer, defeat. Devastated, ruined. Gnat, one type of mosquito fly. Marshals, small quantity. Furrows, wrinkles. Meadows, grassland. Dragon, a fabulous monster. These are the important glossary and its meaning in this lesson. So, once again, I tell the outline story of this lesson, The Wicked Prince. The Wicked Prince is the fairy tale written by Hans Christian Andersen about one prince who was mischievous to conquer all the countries in the world. He defeated all the neighbors. They ordered to erect his statue on public and churches. The priests were angry and against him, and they said, God is only mighty and greater than all. So now this he decided, he means the prince decided to conquer God. He constructed a magnificent ship too and had and thousands of bullets to fly all over the directions in the air and to attack God. Now, God sent an gnat, and the gnat was hit his ear of the prince, and finally he defeated by a single gnat and imprisoned in his armor. That's the story, ends it. Thank you, students.